Installing the non-timed CV brake. Super easy to do. Wanted to grease the threads with acetone. Red Loctite 272. What I like to do is put a small circle up on the top, thread the brake on until it hits the shoulder. What I like to do is back it off, and I'm making sure that there's red Loctite inside the threads. Get it tight, get a wrench. You don't want to exceed 15 foot-pounds. It doesn't take much. The red Loctite is doing more of the holding. Bracing with one hand, got the wrench, and that's all the tight you need. Let the red Loctite cure for 24 hours, and you're good to go. Thanks.